Hello all, happy to continue my lecture series in power system analysis. So in the previous lectures we have discussed about basics of power systems and need for power system planning, continued with the load flow studies and power flow studies along with the technologies that we have used to solve the problem in order to find out the voltages and currents. And at last we were discussing about the economic load dispatch and unit commitment and the problems related to it. And finally we had a video about swing equations and equal area criterion. So this made a good exposure to me related to power system analysis. So as a continuation, we are going to discuss about SCADA system automating electrical distribution. So we people know what is electrical distribution and how to automate that process using SCADA is the video today. So in this video we are going to discuss about introduction to SCADA, components of SCADA, working of SCADA and main functions of SCADA. So first of all let us know what is SCADA. Sorry. So SCADA, it is a combination of telemetry and data acquisition, and it encompasses the collecting of information via remote terminal units. So information should be given to some point. So that SCADA encompasses the collecting of information via remote terminal units. That SCADA consists of one or more field data interface devices. So a communication system such as radio, telephone or cables or satellite etc. might be used for communication systems, and it will have a central host computer which serves as a master terminal unit. So this is about SCADA. So it consists of the following subsystems. So this is components of SCADA. Where we might have heard about HMI, which is human machine interface. It is an apparatus or a device which presents process data to a human operator. So that will give a human is needed in order to operate. So that's HMI, human machine interface, will present process data to a human operator, and through this the human operator monitors and controls the process. So HMI plays a major role in SCADA. This is a very important component. Coming to the next component, it is a remote control unit, RCU, which is a microprocessor controlled electronic device. So it will have a controller that interface objects in the physical world to a distributed control system or a SCADA. So in RTU we have three types: single board RTU, modular RTU. So coming next component is programmable logic controller. So it is a digital controller used for automation or typically industrial electromechanical process. So this PLC is programmable logic controller, which is particularly used for automation purpose, or it can be called as electromechanical process, industrial electromechanical process, such as control of machinery on factory assembly lines. So PLCs are used in many industries and machineries, so as shown in the picture. Coming to working of SCADA, so how the SCADA works? So it will, SCADA for a power distribution particularly is typically a PC based software package actually. So we have a software, we have many brands with PLC like Siemens and ABB or some of the companies which help us in automating systems. So the data is collected from the electrical distribution system. So that collected data with most of the data will be originating substations. So the data are collected from the substations. Depending on the size and complexity, a substation will have a varying number of controllers and operator interface points. That data from the PLC and the device is then transmitted to a SCADA and the location at the substation. So that collected device is transmitted to SCADA node location at the substation. So we will have a control room building. See, it is clearly shown like HMI. So first of all we go with the plant. So plant will have a PLC. That PLC and using remote transmission unit, it will sense the data which is given to the SCADA, and also human machine interface is integrated with the SCADA. So first of all, what is SCADA is supervisory control and data acquisition. Supervisory control and data acquisition is the abbreviated form of SCADA. The main we go with main functions of SCADA. So the main functions of SCADA are data acquisition, data presentation, control, and network data communication. These are all the main functions. Why we have to go for SCADA? What are all the advantages we have is it is efficient with less manpower. Yes, more than or 1 or 2 people will be sufficient for using a machine. Flexible, simple, reliable, and self-checking and readability, portable and cost efficient. Coming to disadvantages, so anything we discover, there will be a disadvantage, a plus and a minus. Here it is lack of trained personnel. So we need trained personnel to operate with SCADA. Initial capital investment is high. So coming to the assessment, what is the full form of SCADA is supervisory control and data acquisition. And so in this video we have clearly seen about how the SCADA, what is the importance of SCADA, that is what is SCADA, how it can be used in power transmission, what are the main components that are used in order to make work with the SCADA. Thank you.